No, that's a drone, right?
Yeah.
I always get confused.
Was that her? I think so. It'll look real good.
She's a pointed tail, I remember.
Something right here. A lot of times she'll hide on this outside.
So you're saying that she'll be where a bunch of bees are because they're protecting her? Or?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Right.
That drone bee's so big.
I know it.
I thought it was her for a second.
I had my eye on it too, huh?
When the lid came off, wouldn't she immediately